So I was looking on eBay the other day, like I do, for gadgets, and I came across this iPod Nano, and it was £1.99, and it was listed with a fault with charging the battery. So I bought it because it was £1.99, and luckily half of it was already open because the battery is swollen. So I bought another one off eBay, another battery. And what I want to do is I want to swap this battery with this one and see if I can bring some life into my £1.99 iPod. So I'm going to peel off this Kapton tape. And also it's going to give me a chance to try my new Aldi soldering iron. So this was £9.99, but it has been reduced to £5.99, and it comes with the stand, which has got some little grabby handy hold things. Probably just be able to see that in frame. And there's also a little compartment at the back, which I forget how you get into. I think you slide it down. But there's a little tray, and it came with some solder and a little sponge. So I was quite pleased for £5.99. Right, so that came off quite easily. And I'm just having a look at these. They don't. They might be tinned. I'm just going to add some solder to them. Actually, let me take this off first. So this came from Germany. It's actually quite difficult, as it seems, to buy new batteries for iPod Nanos in England. So this might be a good time to try my little holdy hand thing, because the cable is flexing. So let me do all of them. Let me spread them out a little bit. There we go. There we go. And should have got the sponge out. And I should have brought my phone out because I've disconnected the battery and I don't remember which colours go where. Back momentarily. Right, the good old iFixit diagram. So we have white, red and black. So let's see if we can attach the white one. Red. And then black. This one is a bit more awkward. Doesn't want to stay in place. What can I hold it down with? Let's use a zip tie, because why not? tiny bit more solder on this white one. This cable's probably going to come pinging off. Yep. Let's hold it down with the zip tie again. Okie dokie. Done with that. Let's grab the Kapton tape. I do have Kapton tape, but I don't know where it is. Actually, let's put the battery in place. Which way should we put it? I think that way. I'm not going to bother sticking this down with any adhesive or anything. Please be sticky. No, it's not. Alright. Yep, that Kapton tape isn't sticky at all. So this is electrical insulating tape, and I'm just going to stick that all the way over there, including on the connectors, because the back is metal, although it's got this cover on. I don't know whether or not it's going to cause problems, so hopefully that should be it. So we'll put the side on and snap it together. Oh, I don't know if you can see that on camera. We have an Apple logo. Yay! That's kind of cool. So there's 56 songs on because somebody hasn't wiped it. It was 1.8 gigabytes in capacity, and it's got 594 available. Looks like there's some Alanis Morissette on there, Amy Winehouse, Nina Simone, the kind of music I like, Above and Beyond as well. Cool, well I'm pleased with that. I shall go and put it on charge, and we'll see how long it lasts.